The Milgram Experiment began in July of 1961 at Yale University. It was started by Stanley Milgram to test how people follow orders when given to them by a superior, even when it conflicts with their conscious or personal beliefs. Milgram recruited 40 men from all educational and monetary backgrounds. He led them to believe they were inflicting pain upon the learner in the situation, when actually it was all acting.
The experiment was seen as unethical by many because the subject gave consent to the experiment under false pretenses. The experiment was advertised as a study on learning and memory when actually it was a study on obedience. The experiment caused extreme psychological stress for the test subjects, and this led them to show signs of stress during and after the study, such as sweating, shaking, and chain smoking. Many of the test subjects complained of prolonged stress years after the experiment was over.
Hello gentlemen, thank you for agreeing to participate in the study today. The $100 that you were promised for even coming through the door is now yours. I want you both to do the paper out of my hand, decide which one of you are the teacher and which one of you are the learner.
In this situation, I will be the learner. It will be my responsibility to learn different word patterns presented to me. If I am not able to learn these such word patterns, I will be given an electric shock.
I'm the teacher. I'm in charge of questioning the learner on the word patterns. If he misses one, he gets an electric shock.
Hi, I need to talk to you about a condition. I have a heart condition which I'm worried about the experiment affecting. I'm worried that the electric shocks I may receive could further damage my heart or worsen my condition.
Don't worry about it. The shocks will be painful, but they will not damage your health in any way. You will ask the learner simple word patterns. He will answer them, and if he gets them wrong, you will be responsible for administering shocks to him. And the more he gets wrong, the harder the shocks are.
Alright, I heard him say it's a heart condition, so do you think it's for sure safe for him to do this?
Yes, let's begin the experiment.
Alright. Dog.
Dog.
Correct. Cat.
Dog.
Incorrect.
Ow!
Horse.
Sheep.
Incorrect.
Ow!
Cow.
Chicken.
Incorrect.
Ow! My heart!
Pig.
Chicken.
Incorrect.
In the actual Milgram experiment, the learner was not actually in pain. He was an actor who was supposed to portray someone in pain by yelling. I decided to become overdramatic to relay the same effect.
Bird. Incorrect. I'm uncomfortable continuing the experiment. I think you might have had a medical emergency.
Okay, we can conclude the experiment at this point. The learner actually wasn't harmed during the experiment. He was an actor who was playing a role, and the experiment was actually studying obedience to superiors the entire time.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.